Hi, third grade. Today we're going to go ahead and do Unit 8, Week 1, Day 4. So let's get started with our drill sounds warm-up. U up A Alaska I animal or I. Z zebra z. S bugs z. C cat k. K kite k. CK sock k. Y cry I. Y baby E. E Pete E. Great work. Okay, today we have another word of the day, and as you can see, it's 2 syllables. And one of the syllables, the last syllable, is a consonant LE. Here's my hint for you. We haven't done it yet. When you have a group of something together, it's also known as a bundle. Bundle. You can have a bundle of sticks. So the first syllable is bun. We know how to spell that. B-U-N. And now we can get rid of our mystery consonant. Bundle is what consonant there? D-L-E. Very good. So let's go ahead and mark it up. You scoop your syllables. Bun-dole. Bun is what kind? Closed, right, with a short vowel. And dole is consonant L-E. The only thing that I still have to do to mark it is cross off my silent E. Very good. So let's go ahead in our student notebooks, take it out, and page 59. After bonded and bucket, we're going to add today's word of the day and mark it. Bundle. Okay. Pause the video if you need more time to spell and mark our word of the day. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and get ready to write our sentence. I will get, I'm writing it too. I will get the bundle of sticks I will get the bundle of sticks in the van. Okay, let me repeat it again. I will get the bundle of sticks in the van. All right. It was a longer sentence, but hopefully you did fine with bundle, our word of the day. And how'd you do with sticks? I will get the bundle of sticks. Do you remember CKS? Has a suffix to make it plural. In the van. And I've read this multiple times, and it sounds every time I read it. Did you catch how I grouped those phrases together? I did 3 scoops. I will get the bundle of sticks in the van. Okay, so here is how I scooped it. Did you remember punctuation at the end of your sentence? Hopefully. All right, great work. Once you are done adding in the word of the day and the sentence, you can actually go ahead and put your student notebook completely away. Okay, before we do our dictation composition books, we're going to look at 3 other Unit 8 words. Are we ready? This one, 2 syllables, ends with consonant LE, and here's my clue. This is a way that you can cook eggs. Do you know it? Scramble, right. Help me with scram. Go. That's a 3-letter blend. And then I sometimes forget for am, I don't have to pick up A and M. I can come down here and do am, ham, am. Okay, what's my mystery one? Bull. Very good. And then when you mark it, got to go faster with this. When you mark it, you scoop it. Scram is a closed syllable. Bull is a consonant LE. And don't forget to cross off the silent E at the end. Very good. Okay, the second word I want to practice. I must have had food on my brain because this is what bacon does on a hot pan. Sizzle, right. The first syllable is sizz. Help me spell it. S-I-Z. Very good. Now say the word sizzle. Is there only one sound in between the first syllable and the ul? Sizzle. So we need to double that and put it with the consonant LE. Nice job. The last word we practiced yesterday, it was tickle. Say it. Tickle. The first syllable is tick. Help me spell it. T-I, then what for k? After a short vowel, you got it, C-K. Now, yesterday we learned that I know, this is technically a consonant L-E, but when we mark up tickle, we keep the CK with the first syllable so that it stays closed and it keeps our vowel short, right? So when you go to mark it and scoop it, words that have a CK in them, the CK stays with the first syllable. All right. Now, I want to exit this drawing because I want to see if we do and attach a vowel suffix to this. Maybe I want to say it's happening right now. The mother is tickling her baby's toes. What do we do when we're about to attach a vowel suffix? Do you remember? Right, you drop the E, attach the suffix, and you add it. Oh, this will be interesting. You do the little tiny E insert right up here. Okay, and you mark it the same way that we've done. Circle the suffix. Okay, it's just in this case, that's funny because the ul is kind of by itself. Tick-ul-ing. All right, good review. Now you're going to go ahead and we're going to practice. Take out your composition book, turn it open to page 27. 27. All right, so on the top of page 27, please go ahead and put today's date and get ready for the first sound. The first sound is Say it. 3 things, write them, go. Okay, tell me yes if you got it. U up, A Alaska, I animal, or eh. Excellent. Scooch over to number 2, and your next sound is ch. Say it. Ch. 2 things, write them, go. Okay. Moment of truth. Tell me yes. C-H, chinch. T-C-H, catch, ch. Excellent. Number 3, your sound is E. Say it. E. 4 things. Go. Okay, let's see how you did here. Did you get E-E? Yes. E by itself. Yes. Y baby E. Yes. And I champion E. Good work. The last sound, number 4, is I. Say it. I. 3 things. Go. All right. Did you get I consonant E? Yes. I by itself. Yes. And Y cry I. Good. Okay. Review word number 1. There's a base word and a suffix. Think of the rules. Grin, we smile, grinning. He is grinning from ear to ear. Grinning. Go. Okay, the base word is grin. How'd you spell that? Grin. The base word is also a what kind of word? 111. So before you attach a vowel suffix, did you remember to double that consonant N there and star it? Very good. Number 2, your word is plural. Candy, candies. There were several candies in the dish. Candies. All right, take a look and see. How did you do? Can, C-A-N, D used to be D-Y, but when you attach a suffix that doesn't start with an I, you have to change the Y to an I and add your ES suffix there. Did you mark that this I, though, still sounds like that long E sound? Very good. Next row, word number 3 is like, likable. You need to do your best and be a likable person. Likable. Go ahead. Hopefully you're able to tell me what kind of word the base word is. Like. What kind of syllable is that? Vowel, consonant, E. Right. And when you attach a vowel suffix, what's the rule? Drop the E, right? You don't spell it with an E. But when you mark it, did you insert the E up above? Okay, and you should still mark that that I is long. It's a vowel, consonant, E. And did you circle able? All right. Number 4, your word is squat. Say it. Squat. 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 You have to squat down to grab the pencil that you dropped. Squat. All right, I'm really hoping you remembered this word in this rule. After a qu, what says ah? Is it an O? Okay, good. It's an A. Think of that card. Squat. And I did circle my buddy letter there. And I did put that one-eyed monster symbol above that A because it sounds like ah. And it is a closed syllable. All right, let's move on to current words. Word number 1 is sniffle. Say it. Sniffle. Go ahead and spell it and mark it. All right, the first syllable is sniff. S-N-I-F. And then you do need, because there's one sound in between that consonant, or that syllable, and the O. So you double it. Okay? F-L-E. Did you cross off the silent E and mark your syllable types? All right. Number 2. Example. This one might be tricky. This one has example. 3 syllables. So when you scoop it, X, am, pull. Go. All right. The first syllable is X. Say it. How do you spell that? E-X, right, not just the letter X. Every scoop must have a vowel. Am is easy, A-M, ham, am. Pull, there's your consonant L-E, P-L-E. All right, check and make sure yours looks like that. Word number 3, jingle. Say it. Jingle. Go ahead, spell it and mark it. I have a feeling some of you may need to fix this one. Like we talked about with pickle, tackle, tickle, jingle. That ing sound that you hear should stay together in that first syllable type. And then you have the ul by itself. Okay? So if you need to fix yours, go ahead and fix it on yours. Number 4, the last word we're marking has a suffix. So think of the rule. Trickle, trickled. Now be careful. It's not ch, it's tur. Think about a faucet that's dripping or trickling. The water trickled from the faucet. Trickled. Go ahead and try it. All right, the first syllable is trick, right? Trick. Now, we know that stays together. Then we normally would have LE, but we're attaching a vowel suffix, so we need to drop the E and attach the suffix ED. Did you remember to insert that tiny E there? All right, let's go to sound-alike words. The first word is principal. Say it. Principal. The principal had to come on the school bus to remind us of the rules. Principal. Just spell it. Go ahead. Okay, spell it with me. Go. Principal. Principal. And our signal for that was making sure you're following the rules. Very good. Number 2 is principle. One principle that you should all have is everyone deserves to be treated with kindness. Principle. Go. All right, let's spell that one together. Ready? Go. Principle. Principle. Very good. Trick word number 1 is could. Say it. Could. Go ahead and spell it. All right, spell it with me. Go. COULD. Could. Excellent. Number 2, beautiful. Go. All right, I told my classes there was the movie I watched when that actor says beautiful. That helps me know how to spell this one because it is BEAUTIFUL. All right, excellent. Now I only have one sentence for you today, and it is something. That's one word. Something. Something made the student. Something made the student tremble. Tremble. That means like to shake. Something made the student tremble. One more time. Something made the student tremble. All right. How'd you do with something? Those are 2 words that we use a lot, but did you put them together? SOMETHING. All right. Made should be good. The student. This was one that we had during our schwa because it's not INT, it's what? ENT. That's the unexpected sound. Student. Now, how'd you do with our Unit 8 word? Tremble. It means to shake. Okay? TREM. Trem. BLE. Great. And then just scoop it up. I'm going to scoop it like this. Something made the student tremble. 2 scoops for me. Okay. The last thing we did in class was a little bit of cursive. So if you're at home, get a piece of paper and a pencil to get ready to practice. And the cursive page that we had in class, it's one side. So if you're at home, here's some more places. Florida, Frankfurt, Tallahassee, capital of Florida, Tennessee, it's another state, and Texas, another state. Okay, so we have how many states here? Florida, Tennessee, Texas, and these other ones are capitals, Frankfurt and Tallahassee. All right, so if you need to pause the video to see the words, if you have the paper, trace it first and then write it once or twice below. Okay, to practice writing some of these good words that use our uppercase letters that we've learned, as well as our lowercase. All right, 3rd grade, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.